Hello students, myself Sangmesh Karkikatti, lecturer in physics. Today we going to discuss about a third chapter, that is motion in a straight line. Now start with mechanics. Mechanics is a branch of physics which deals with the study of forces and motion of the object. And this mechanics is classified into three branches. One is a static, and second one is a kinematic, and third one is a kinetic. Static is nothing but a study of the object at a rest position. But these two are kinematic and kinetic. These two are the study of the object at in a motion state. Now start with the motion. Motion is nothing but an object changes its position with reference to a fixed point. That is nothing but motion. This motion is classified into three types. One is one dimensional motion, and second one is two dimensional motion, and third one is three dimensional motion. Let us discuss one by one. First one is one dimensional motion, also called as linear motion. One dimensional motion is nothing but an object moving in only one direction out of three directions. That is nothing but one dimensional motion or linear motion. Example for the linear motion is a boy moving in a straight line, or a ball moving in a straight path. That is the example for the one dimensional motion. Now second one is two dimensional motion. Two dimensional motion is nothing but an object moving in two directions, or an object moving in a plane. That is nothing but a two dimensional motion. And example for the two dimensional motion is a carom board coin. That is the example for the two dimensional. Three dimensional motion. Three dimensional motion is nothing but an object is not restricted to straight line or a plane. Means an object moving in a free space. There is no restrictions. That is nothing but a three dimensional motion. And example for the three dimensional motion is a bird flying in a sky. That is the example for the three dimensional motion. Now distance. Distance is nothing but length of the actual path covered by an object. That is nothing but a distance. Means an object is there in a motion state. That object will cover how much length. That is nothing but a distance. And the distance is a scalar quantity, and the SI unit of the distance is a meter. And next one definition is displacement. Displacement is nothing but a change in a position of the object in a particular direction. That is nothing but a displacement. And the expression for the displacement is delta x is equal to x2 minus x1. x2 is nothing but a final position, and x1 is a initial position. And the displacement is a vector quantity, and SI unit of the displacement is meter. Okay, thank you.